Good day and welcome to our distinguished professors and esteemed colleagues. I am delighted to be here today to discuss the transformative potential of ChatGPT in revolutionizing education, particularly in enhancing accessibility and inclusion for students with disabilities. My name is Ellie Bavuso, and I am excited to guide you through this presentation. Let's begin by providing an overview of the topics we'll cover in today's presentation. We'll be going over how to set up an account with ChatGPT, what ChatGPT can be used for in the context of disability, how to write an effective prompt, some limitations and ethics to consider when using ChatGPT, and then we'll finish off with a short activity on writing detailed prompts. Let's dive right into our first topic. Before we explore the potential of ChatGPT in supporting students with disabilities, let's take a moment to consider the impact and prevalence of disabilities in educational settings. Did you know that between 20 and 25% of students in higher education has a disability? However, only 6% of students register with their university's disability office. Of the students who do register, only 23% will graduate within 4 years, and the unemployment rates for degree holders with disabilities is double that of degree holders without disabilities. These numbers underscore the importance of creating an inclusive learning environment and leveraging technologies like ChatGPT to address the unique needs in students with disabilities. Now that we understand the significance of accessibility, let's discuss how we can access ChatGPT and leverage its capabilities. ChatGPT is hosted through the website OpenAI. You can make a free account by searching ChatGPT on Google, finding OpenAI, and clicking Try ChatGPT once you're on the webpage. Whether through online platforms, applications, or APIs, ChatGPT provides an intuitive interface for interaction. By accessing ChatGPT, we can tap into its vast knowledge and linguistic abilities to support students with disabilities. Let's delve into the exciting ways ChatGPT can be leveraged to provide support and empower students with disabilities. ChatGPT can be a game changer in creating accessible alternative assignments, facilitating swift, empathetic communication, and providing excess learning support. It can generate tailored content, adapt to individual needs, and overall foster a more inclusive and engaging educational experience. To effectively engage ChatGPT and harness its potential, it is essential to craft good prompts. Let's explore the key components of a well-crafted prompt. Clarity, specificity, context, and consideration of accessibility needs are the pillars of a good prompt. By providing clear instructions, relevant context, and accommodating accessibility requirements, we can ensure accurate and meaningful responses from ChatGPT. Now, let's examine some examples of well-constructed prompts to reinforce our understanding of how to create effective prompts. For instance, when seeking information or assistance, consider prompts like, explain the concept of recursive programming in simple, jargon-free language for students with cognitive disabilities, or generate a set of programming questions that assess the understanding of algorithms specifically designed for students with dyslexia. By incorporating the discussed components, we can optimize the quality and relevance of ChatGPT's responses. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it is crucial to acknowledge its limitations and set realistic expectations for its use. Incomplete or inaccurate responses, potential biases, and challenges with understanding common sense reasonings are factors to consider when using ChatGPT. We must recognize the role of human oversight and validation in ensuring the quality and reliability of the information or assistance provided by ChatGPT. An essential rule I like to follow is that you shouldn't ever just be copy and pasting an answer from ChatGPT. Instead, think of it like an efficient grad student you always have on hand, who you can give instructions to, who usually comes back to you with 75% of the work done already. That way, you can save your energy for the fine details of the project instead of pondering how to piece together the general concept in a short amount of time. As we explore the potential of AI technologies like ChatGPT, some ethical considerations come to the forefront. Privacy, data handling, and the responsible use of AI tools are paramount. We must approach the use of ChatGPT with transparency, ensuring student data remains secure and adhering to established ethical guidelines. To finish, let's engage in an interactive activity to sharpen our prompt writing skills. I will provide you with simple prompts, and I invite you to collaborate and enhance them by incorporating the components we discussed earlier. Take a few minutes to revise the prompts, considering clarity, specificity, context, and accessibility needs. Then test your prompts out. How well did ChatGPT deliver on what you asked it to do? If the answer it produced was unsatisfactory, spend some time explaining to ChatGPT what it can do better and inform it of any information you'd like it to update its answer with. You can also ask it to produce multiple variations of an answer. For example, I might ask for 3 versions of the same assignment to be created, and I'll pick my favorite parts from each version and use those to craft the final assignment. As we conclude our presentation, I want to express my sincere appreciation to all of you for your active participation and engagement. To summarize, ChatGPT offers remarkable potential to enhance accessibility and inclusion in education. By understanding the components of a good prompt, recognizing the limitations, and employing ethical practices, we can maximize the benefits of ChatGPT for students with disabilities. If you have any further inquiries, ideas, or wish to collaborate on leveraging ChatGPT for enhancing accessibility and inclusion, please feel free to reach out to me. I would be thrilled to continue the conversation. Thank you.